Thank you for joining me. I have a great project for this YesWelder YWM-200. I'm going to use the spool gun and I'm going to do a repair job on a tool for my work. So if you have not already, please like the channel and subscribe. So let's get started. I've been using this piece of equipment for a number of years. I can't begin to tell you how useful this piece of equipment is for me. This tray is meant to hold several hand tools plus equipment needed for my job. So there are two things wrong with this tray now. Number one, this tray has been seen better days. It's completely beat up, dented, it's fallen apart, and the welds are breaking. Number two, I received a new work truck. Space is very limited. Storing this tray is an impossible thing right now. My goal is to fix up the tray, resize it, so it actually works for my new work truck. It's not going to be perfect. I don't need it to be perfect. I just need it to work. So I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get started. I had to use a cutting disc and also drill out the spot welds in order to get the center dividers out. With everything taken apart, it's now to clean up everything and get it ready for welding. In order to get the dents out, I ended up using a hammer and a flat surface and hammering out the dents. The welder I'm using today is the YesWelder YWM-200. The YWM-200 is a multi-process machine that does MIG, spool MIG, stick, and lift TIG. The TIG torch and the spool gun are optional. To weld up the tray, I'm going to use the YesWelder LBT-150 spool gun. If you are interested, both the spool gun and the YWM-200 are available on the YesWelder website. And there you have it. Everything's finished. It works perfectly and it fits perfect in my new work truck. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you have not already, please like the channel and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.